Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting a P0174 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the OBD2 scanner to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0174. P0174 means that the engine air-fuel mixture is too lean, which indicates that the bank 2 of your car has too much air or not enough fuel. DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, MAF sensor. MAF sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleansed. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Method B, oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor is located in the exhaust manifold of the car. Remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Reinstall a new oxygen sensor from the original equipment company and put it back on the catalytic converter. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0174 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this helped. Subscribe for more car DIY tips, and let us know in the comments if you fixed your P0174.